Hi YouTube.
Hang on a minute, has it started?
Yes. Hi YouTube, it's Ethan here today with another vacuum cleaner. It's a Dyson DC-40, yes. So I'm just going to take the bits out one by bit. This is your extension pole for getting up to corners, and I'll look at that in a minute. We have your, I'm not sure what that is, but it's definitely a tool or something. I'm not really sure what that is, but I'll look into that in a minute. And in here, I don't know what this is. I'm not sure what that is, what's in there. I'll have a look in a minute. Here we have the tools, the small attachments here. And in here we have the, I think it's the turbo nozzle, I'm not really sure. I'll have a look at it in a minute. And cardboard, and some more cardboard, and here's the handle, and also, last but not least, I can get it out. It's a bit hard to get out. I don't know how I'm going to get this out.
Why don't you lay it on the floor and pull it?
Stuck. You'd have to pause.
How'd you do that?